Hey guys, this is Mark with AdultAspergersChat.com, and today I've got a little message for some of the NT wives out there. I got an email from a lady, and she said that I had made a comment a few weeks ago that the NT wives are 50% of the problem, and they contribute to the relationship difficulty approximately 50%. And she thought that that was rather cold and heartless statement to make. Especially in light of the fact that a lot of these ladies, are depressed and whatnot. But I went on to clarify in her email the same thing that I'm going to tell you guys in this video. I'm not saying anybody did anything wrong. I am saying that her intentions were good. She was doing the best that she knew how to do at the time. Her heart was in the right place. She thought she was doing the right thing. She was trying to get him to get it. It being understand her feelings, understand her wants, needs, expectations, and so on. But unfortunately, the message delivery that she used ended up raising his anxiety and or made him feel like he was being criticized and or influenced him to do some version of a shutdown or a meltdown. So nobody is saying, ladies, that you're not justified in being angry. Nobody is saying you're not justified in being depressed. Nobody is saying that there's no such thing as Cassandra syndrome, or that you just need to grow up and forget about being a victim and all this emotional deprivation and all of this nonsense. Your hurts are justified. Your pain is justified. It's real. I recognize it. I deal with it every day working with the ladies online. I see it firsthand. So when I say that you're contributing to the problem at least 50%, sometimes a little more, sometimes considerably less, this is not a criticism saying you're doing anything wrong. I understand you're doing what you think is the most effective thing to do. Unfortunately, it's backfiring. And that's what I mean by that. And it's honestly, I have to be brutally honest at this point, it's sad. It's sad because I know that you want this relationship fixed. I know that you're hurt. I know that you're depressed. And I know that you're desperate and feel so alone. You've got to change your message delivery, ladies. There's no other way to put it than that. On that note, I do have an NT ladies only group, and I'll put the link below here, and we will take a deep dive into how you can have a message to help him to get it that doesn't download to him as you're being parental, talking down to him, you being critical, whatever else he does, some version of a shutdown or a meltdown. We have methods that will help you avoid that. So consider joining. Thanks for listening.